Welcome to Seven Trumpets Prepper. Guys, in this video today I want to share with you some information, and I want to first, before I do share any of it, apologize for the delay in getting this done, because I promised my friend Ron that I would get this out, and about a week and a half behind from all my travels. But with that said, the second part of the Hebrews to Negroes movie series is out now. As you can see, some of the screen grabs on the screen, I'm doing this different instead of being in front of the camera as usual. I just wanted to share not only the YouTube channel, but this information as well, so that as this gets further released out, you can keep up with it. And I believe they're going to be touring around the country like they did with the first part that I went up to view and have the honor to view, as one of the people of the nations woke up and see this great movement taking life. Got to see the first portion in Michigan released. Now, this was just released on the 11th. The second part, Hebrews to Negroes, part 2, Revelation movie. I haven't got to see it yet. I'm looking forward to viewing it. But the rest of the information, like I said, you can go over and check out the YouTube channel. You can check out the trailer for it. You can check out the Hebrews to Negroes network. The website is in the video description below. I know that Honorable Man Pastor Dale was speaking up there about, I believe, the preparedness for the end days and everything. I would have loved to have the honor to get to hear that. I was supposed to go, guys, but some things happened scheduling wise, and I didn't get to take part in seeing the second part of this come out. But guys, go check this out. Support this, because I promise you this, the truth and the knowledge of all the things that have been hidden, it's going to come to light. We are living in a generation where that everything is going to come to light. And you can either decide to be on one side of the fence where that you want to close your ears and not hear it, or you can be on the other side of the fence and open up your eyes and your ears and see the day and age that we're living in the last days. I know there was some workshops, like I said, I originally kind of talked about doing some off-grid workshop, but there is a lot of workshops that they put together up there, and I know it was great information to people from what I've seen from my friends on Facebook that had attended. But now, like I said, I think they're going to be doing this around the country at other venues as well. So if you want to stay abreast of it, I think there's tickets on Eventbrite that'll be popping up, stuff like that. You can get more information on it there. And guys, as always, until we see again here on the channel, keep standing for the truth, and I hope you have a most blessed day in Yahushua's name.